Have you ever worried about the security of your crypto? In a world where digital assets are becoming increasingly central to our financial lives, the question of how to keep them safe is paramount. We hear stories of exchange hacks, phishing scams, and hardware wallet vulnerabilities. It's enough to make anyone a bit uneasy. You want convenience, but not at the expense of security. You want control, but without the headache of complex setups. This is where a fascinating and innovative solution enters the picture, one that's changing the way we think about storing our digital wealth. Today, we're diving deep into a revolutionary type of wallet, Tangem. So, what exactly is a Tangem wallet? At its core, Tangem is a smart card hardware wallet. Think of it less like a traditional clunky device with buttons and screens, and more like a credit card, but with superpowers. It's ultra-thin, durable, and fits right into your physical wallet. This isn't just about portability, it's about simplicity and robust security built into a familiar form factor. Unlike many hardware wallets that require a connection to a computer or mobile device via USB or Bluetooth, Tangem leverages near-field communication, NFC, technology. You simply tap your Tangem card to your smartphone, and the magic happens. This seamless interaction makes managing your crypto incredibly intuitive, almost like making a contactless payment. No cables, no complicated pairing processes, just tap and transact. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Under the hood, Tangem packs a serious punch when it comes to security. Each Tangem card is equipped with an EAL6 Plus certified secure element chip. This is the same level of security found in passports and bank cards, meaning it's designed to withstand highly sophisticated attacks. Your private keys are generated and stored directly on this chip, and crucially, they never leave the card. This key isolation is a fundamental principle of hardware wallet security, ensuring that even if your phone is compromised, your private keys remain safe on the card. Tangem also stands out because it's a non-custodial wallet. This means you hold the keys, and therefore, you control your crypto. There's no third party holding your funds, eliminating counterparty risk. This your keys, your crypto philosophy is central to the ethos of decentralized finance, and Tangem empowers you to truly embrace it. Furthermore, Tangem offers a unique approach to recovery. Instead of a traditional seed phrase that you have to write down and secure, Tangem offers a set of 2 or 3 cards that act as a backup. If you lose one card, you can still access your funds with the remaining cards in your set. This multi-card setup significantly reduces the risk associated with a single point of failure like a lost or compromised seed phrase, while also providing a tangible and easy-to-manage backup solution. In essence, Tangem represents a significant evolution in cold storage solutions. It blends the ease of use of a hot wallet with the ironclad security of a hardware wallet, all within a sleek, minimalist design. It's ideal for those new to crypto who want a straightforward and secure entry point, as well as seasoned enthusiasts looking for a highly portable and resilient cold storage option. It's secure, simple, and remarkably elegant. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.